Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. CAC 2000 listed its preference shares today. The listing comes after it was successful in raising $200 million through its 9.5% preference shares issue. Chief Operating Officer at the company, Gia Abraham, said the success being recognized today was not an overnight thing.
We started this journey in 2013 with VM, and in 2016 listing as an IPO, and now again in 2018 we have raised the bar. Up to now we were pretty much a family-owned business, and it was a long road and a hard road to make that decision to switch from a family-owned business to a public business. But it has actually benefited us immensely, not just for funding, but also just to keep us on our toes and make sure that we capitalize on all that is out there in the innovation areas, the energy areas, the renewable energy, and looking at different ways that we can satisfy our customers that are unique in the industry.
This listing brings the total number on the stock exchange to 101. The price of oil went down today. Oil for delivery in June was selling for $70.51 at the close of trading. It's down 85 cents. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $126.03. The Canadian dollar went for $98.84. The pound sterling, that went for $169.96, while the euro closed at $150.47. The JSE index advanced by 2,133 points today, while the junior market index also advanced by 6 points. Among the winners were Palace Amusement, Key Insurance Company, Paramount Trading, Siboney Group, Radio Jamaica, Mayberry Investments, and Scotia Group Jamaica. Now on the losing side were Dolphin Cove, Berger Paints, Epley, Consolidated Bakeries, Wisinco Group, Caribbean Cement Company, Jamaica Stock Exchange, and Pulse Investments. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.